is Rebbe Newman Atzadik. Nice to meet you in person.
Thank you. I'm going to talk on a podcast.
Welke?
Mit Moshe Yitzchok.
Pink Hand.
Ich will noch Status nechten.
Businessman. Oh, businessman. This is for Moshe Yitzchok. Moshe Yitzchok, shout out to you. This office over here.
This is my manager do.
Oh, very nice. What's his name?
David Hirsch.
So, Lemasa, dia is Benjamin Weingarten. In
Yeah.
the company was size.
Lease and drive.
Lease and Drive.
Yeah.
That's cool. Where do you get me number?
My thought.
It's technically a leasing company.
Correct.
Wie lang exists this schon?
13 year.
Why would you say someone should come here? Besides it being so nice and friendly.
So we on top of everything. Like you said, service, we go out of our way to eine darf insurance, eine darf hat ein issue mit der car, noch einmal bloß der car, around in service. And happens to be, we have a car wash company, also mobile car wash company.
Was helft dich cleanen, fahren?
Correct. The goal is geld te mitten, opbouwen, but the goal is to be able to serve a client from beginning to the end, and obviously throughout the lease. That's the goal.
Was ein Mensch, was hat geleast bei dir, geht kennen kommen zu Car Wash?
Correct. So ich hab a package, was ich lege an jeder car. But I'm working on to try to get everyone.
It's a massive idea, by the way.
Side correct.
Die wissen alle rausgehen zu the public, weil the next leasing company is auch trying zu machen.
Alle leasing companies weiß nicht ist, but es nicht kann.
So it's a unique service.
Correct. There's the keychain. This is the fillers. Het gibt mich complete the car.
Before the plate,
correct.
Right? Okay.
It costs me the Easy Pass Velcro. So like this, darf nicht gaan kaufen. And here you have the Spot Wheels membership. So we have other dry full cleans plus Spicy clean with shampoo.
This is the car wash that you mentioned.
Yeah.
Wenn der letzte Mal was dir gesucht, als einer von deinen Customers, als ist lucky, als kommen zu dir, like he had an issue and you solved it.
Sie hat letzte Woche eine hat ein Issue mit der License getting suspended.
Okay. And tun nicht leasen that way.
Ich kann nicht driven.
So what do you do?
I have einen in the DMV that helped me out, and he got it done right away. So that's what we do. We try.
So du fuhrt aus Cars, da kannst du sagen, bon schlüsselig dort noch die Sachen. Wie sind die alle Cars?
Sehen, the porch.
Ja.
Op mijn hand umgehoben, met rausgeflickte gate. Man kann machen breite de driver. Du gaat man overhaken de porch.
Aha.
Also ist breite.
So gehst du ein bunch Platz für Cars.
Exactly. With one phone call, you get everything done.
So if ich call dich jetzt, ich will eine neue Car. Cheapest, most expensive, something in between, a SUV.
Correct. Du suchst mir welche color du willst, oder ich get options and was do available. If you want a certain color, we'll get you the certain color.
Aha. So anybody looking for a lease, this is them. We can reflect a number of the screen.
Correct.
And you can call, can WhatsApp,
Email,
text,
whatever.
Text,
old
whatever
school,
works.
you do text also, whatever works.
A fax, or there's definitely mit sich dann a fax.
Yeah, I know that there's days that we get people that were challenging or the credit or the able gezocht have a certain color,
In sometimes they don't make that color.
Sag man nicht du, darf ich gar nichts anderes mehr
Sometimes
warten.
you have gone in a gids van Amerika auch.
No, but I went already down to my car from Georgia.
Wie wartet Georgia? 7 hours.
Yeah, just
So die
about.
schickst du auf a truck oder die
It's
drehst
to trucking companies, yeah, bring us up. And we do financing also.
Financing for cars.
Correct. I mean, usually new cars, the Strutelles can my finance. Other, can I do use cars also sometimes also. Meaning, let's say, about lease return with a car was ich kann verkaufen. Letzte 2 Wochen verkauft da pure used cars.
Aha. Repeat customers is beëdig jede 3 jaar oder jede 2 jaar? What's number man?
Depends of the program, but between 2 and 3 years.
Between 2 and 3 years.
Correct.
But most customers come in from word of mouth.
Correct.
Other than they say in the video.
Exactly, then we'll get more.
That's it. What's the number?
347
Yeah.
533
Yeah.
4848.
And this is the WhatsApp oogend?
This is WhatsApp ook, yep.
We gaan.